ERD repairs servo drives like this one made by Automotion, as well as all other industrial electronics. We also offer a same-day quote on all our repairs. The Automotion ALC15 is a servo drive that uses a tac-syn feedback for precision control of a motor within a machine tool. The Automotion Servo Drive is going through our motor phase test to ensure proper operation after the repair.
We can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, contact us by phone or visit us at www.industrialrepairstore.com.